Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to combine the two series I have. So we're going to be going with a mixed drink today instead of liquor. First we're going to come in with some whipped cream vodka. This is Pinnacle, but any whipped cream vodka will work. Bacardi makes one. Should be good enough. Followed by anything orange. It could be Orange Crush, Sunkiss, Fanta, orange juice, whatever you want to use, as long as it is orange. And we are gonna stir this with this, because why the fuck not? And this will also be the knife that we are showcasing. Just gotta make sure it's all nice and dry here. Just like cleaning it after a kill. So, the knife today is going to be the Gerber flat iron. As you can see, it's got a thumb hole here. And the knife altogether is 8.5 inches long. The blade is 3.6 inches. It is a flat iron blade. Well, a cleaver to put it simply, or a reverse tanto. Look at that edge. It comes sharp. The handle is desert tan. And then the handle is a micarta handle. It is a composite formed from layers of substrate, compressed and set into resin. It is lightweight, strong, dependable, and stable. It is made of D2 steel, the blade, which is carbon, so it is definitely worth the buy. I do not like the price of this knife for what it is. It is a really good knife, but the price that I found from the Gerber website is close to $45. I know, I understand that $45 isn't a lot to pay for a blade, but it's so lightweight, it's so compact, like it's a great knife. It's just, I know some people won't have the budget for it, so I, on the other hand, I got it for Christmas, so I can't complain. And you can find it a bit cheaper on different websites like Amazon. I think there it was like $35. If you get it on a sale, it'd be even cheaper. But it also is a liner lock. So you would push that in and pull that down. And there you go. Gerber flat iron. Cheers. Should be orange creamsicle. That is fucking delicious. But if y'all want to see more of me mixing the two, let me know. And I definitely will mix the two. And I got a lot of things coming, hopefully. I got a couple more knives to showcase. One is a fixed blade, and one is a hatchet that I got for Christmas. And I'm really excited about doing the hatchet video. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty badass. And if you all want to see me mix any other drink or just try another drink, let me know. It could be a mixed drink, it could be just straight liquor, like name me a bourbon, like Angel's Envy or something, and I'll do that on camera for you guys as well. Also thinking about doing some like wine shorts. My girlfriend's into wine, so we got a bunch of that here. So let me know what you guys think about that. Other than that, Yeah, Gerber flat iron, great knife. I definitely would recommend buying this. It definitely would cut and kill. That's fantastic. I definitely recommend you go pick it up if you have the budget for it. It's a pretty solid knife. Um, it does have a thumb clip. Other than that, I thank you all for watching the video, and I hope you guys come back to the next video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and share it with a friend. And help tremendously. Thank you. Bye.